Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming how the barcode is attached. You must know whether it's a plastic gun tag or a sticky label. Once identified, position the garment flat and stabilize it. This prevents fabric stretching or accidental cuts. Use the seam ripper or small scissors to slice the plastic loop flush with the knot, or lift an edge of a sticker with your fingernail. Make slow, controlled movements. Rushing creates holes, so you can move to the next step safely and cleanly. After detaching the barcode piece, treat remaining glue or sticker film. You heat the area lightly with a hair dryer to soften adhesive, making removal gentler. Then apply a small amount of adhesive remover or 70% rubbing alcohol to a cotton pad. Dab rather than rub so the dye doesn't lift. Once adhesive loosens, lift edges with tweezers while you blot residue away. Make sure to test solvent on an inconspicuous seam first. That protects color and fabric from unexpected damage. You finish by rinsing or washing the treated area following the garment's care instructions to remove solvent residues. Once dry, inspect for any lingering adhesive. If present, reapply solvent sparingly and blot, then launder again. If you notice a small snag or hole from the fastener, trim loose threads and press under a cloth to reshape fibers, or patch internally if needed. If the adhesive discolors fabric, stop and test a gentler solvent. When in doubt, consult a professional cleaner to avoid worsening the damage.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.